When you walk into a room, assume that you belong there.
Career opportunities for women in manufacturing it's endless.
I don't think that you should limit your job role to any specific one thing.
Females naturally think differently to males, and
that's actually very good in the future for lateral thinking, a bit of an open mind in terms of what solutions will be provided.
I'd certainly love to see more females in the workplace.
As a woman here, I feel like my opinion is really well respected and welcomed.
Just see you as any other person. They don't see you as a female. They can't do this, can't do that.
I've been in the industry, only for 6 years, starting out as a grad, moving into the engineering team as a project engineer. I've recently gotten a promotion where I'm now a program delivery manager, heading up these big projects that are multi-million dollar, multi-year projects.
I've kind of progressed quite a lot in my field. I'm currently a product development manager. So my team and I are responsible for development from concept all the way through to commercialization.
If I had to tell someone at school what my job was like, I would say it's super rewarding, hard work, hands-on, but it feels good.
When you step into a room, believe that you belong there and believe that you are just as capable as anyone else in that room, because in all likelihood, you absolutely are.